pepper. Again, measure with love. Salt. I'll use onion powder, oregano leaves, which I'm now out of, cumin, Italian seasoning. I don't use this paprika. I used my smoked paprika, chili powder, garlic powder, chili powder, I think I said all the things, but I already have it pre-measured, including the onions. I save a little bit to garnish, so I'll put that aside. This is onion powder, cumin, pull that out of there. I don't know what the deal is. Garlic powder. This is chili powder. Smoked paprika, and I put green chilies right in. I don't even know if you can see me. I hope so. I'm not looking out the door. I'm gonna brown all that up together. I like my meat to marry with my spices. You guys can warm your spices first in oil, add the meat. You can add it last if you feel like, you know, it's fresher that way, especially if you're using maybe a fresh herb. But I like my meat to taste not just like meat pieces, but to actually taste like everything I'm incorporating. I also add oregano. I will add some of the enchilada sauce that I have now made off to the side and pureed down. So that will be next. I have my dough over here. It is a jalapeno dough. I am making, believe it or not, my own rendition of a enchilada, but I'm making it in a pizza form. So I am making a beef enchilada with jalapeno dough. And the enchilada will be the red sauce, clearly. It's like a pizza. And I'll use mozzarella. You can use any kind of cheese again that you prefer. They say mozzarella just gets nice and melty, whereas other cheeses kind of harden up. So we're going to do this. Add a little bit of enchilada sauce right in. That's going to be good. Not too soupy because I'm making a soup, and some of the red sauce is going to go back on top anyway. So we want to be diligent about how much we use. I keep this jarred up in my refrigerator. I'll keep it dried up. So I can bring it out and use it for whatever I want. I have chicken I'm shredding as well, so I'll make chicken enchiladas. Kind of like a pizza. You want it saucy, but not soupy. You're just gonna twice bake. It's baking now. It's also gonna bake in the oven. I'm gonna bake my crust first, so it's crunchy but not doughy, pulley. It's gonna be just right, kind of like an enchilada. I do have wraps. I'm thinking about doing a layer. This, the cheese, the enchilada topping, and then again, so it's like a stacked. I see how high I can get my dough on the side to be able to support it. I don't know, fingers crossed. We're always experimenting, right? We're always creating new recipes. Back again. I'm gonna stick my now spreaded dough in at 475 quick, just a quick crust on that, and I'll be right back. A little bit longer. All set to put it all together. Now this is new to me, so I'm kind of, you know, making it up as I go along. I want the meat down first because the sauce is just going to drip down through the meat anyway. So we'll do a layer of meat. This is a hot pan, so I can't lift it up to show you, but that's about that. This is going to be 2 layers. I think it can handle it. I do think it will handle it. Each layer probably will get maybe a little thinner so it can hold together and get your mouth around it. And we're going to add the sauce respectfully here for that dough to be able to support it. This is really good sauce. I've tested it, retested it, tried. Yeah, I think it's where I like it. My family's gonna like it. Yum. Alright, then we have a layer of cheese. Extra yum. Truly extra yum here. I'm gonna put it back in. And just everything's cooked. We're just going to brown that crust a little bit more. I'll use a little more mozzarella. I'll use all of it. 365 is what I'm using. A few jalapeños in the middle, just for surprise. Extra few little droppings there. And now the interesting part, that got nice and gooey the way I wanted it. I have cream cheese and heavy cream here. Ooh, that got hot. Move that off to the side, and we're going to layer this together. I got this kind of crunchy so it won't be soggy. See that? It fits like a glove. Oh, you hear the crunch? Yay, it worked. Alright, we're going to do this again. Try to keep it on the pizza, not on the sides to fall off. Let me bring you closer so you can see that. It's just over there. Hopefully I put you back where you need to be. We're going to go ahead and do the meat again. This might be excessive, but you don't know until you try. Maybe a fork and knife kind of meal, because enchiladas tend to be a little bit, you know, challenging to eat without doing just that, fork knife. We learn as we go in the kitchen. That's how great recipes are invented, I suppose. I love that crunch in there. It'll sog up, you know. Probably will not stay crunchy, but that's okay. Sauce again. Yum. This layer, I'm going to put some onion. Just to change up the taste a bit. And then more mozzarella. What we top it with will be a little bit of that sour cream kind of mix. And it's starting to melt. And lettuce and tomato, typical. Maybe maybe a few more jalapeños if I'm brave enough. And it should be extra, extra, extra special, extra scrumptious, melty and yum. See how it works out. Alright, back in the oven it goes. Can't show you that part, I don't know, because the pan's hot. We'll see if it goes okay. Test is, can I pick it up? I don't know. I don't know if I can. I might. I might not. I think. O-M, gosh. Wow. Exceptional. Exceptional. This is worth every bit of the effort. Oh my gosh. I know I can pick it up at this point. Like every other enchilada, you have to dig in. A fork and knife sometime. It's worked out really, 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 really good. It's not exactly a taco pizza. This is a bit extra special for sure. I'm gonna keep at this. Perfect recipe. Gotta try it. Gotta try it. Gotta try it. Gotta try it. Love from Jules Kitchen. Signing off. We'll see you again real soon. Jalapeno crust. 2 layers of goodness. Wow. I'm feeling pretty special today. Jules Kitchen, see ya.